Hello, our fabulous friends, viewers, and my awesome subscribers. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. Friends, a warm welcome to our YouTube channel, Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, this is your host, Asad Shah, and today we are here to tell you about the latest and the gorgeous designs of sleeveless knee-length umbrella frocks designs for women. These frocks designs and colors are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. These frocks are so comfortable and gorgeous that you can confidently wear them without any worry in formal or casual events. So friends and viewers, here is the fun thing for you all. If you like them all, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. Or if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear viewers and subscribers, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. We are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day. So friends and fans, stay with us and see our latest dresses designs and stylish videos. My dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of sleeveless knee-length umbrella frocks for women, and these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style, and much more. So friends and fans, you can freely ask anything about fashion related queries like what outfit will suit you the most in current season, or which outfit combinations are trending these days to stay updated. We have a huge variety of anything which is related to your fashion. And if you have an impressive sense of fashion, we can definitely learn something from you. Friends, take a look at this video and stay updated to my amazing channel Fashion Addiction, because this channel provides you latest fashion news and lifestyle events in your country. And friends, you will daily find a couple of videos about all type of fashion and all type of dresses designs. My dear friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now please show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for our more updates. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you loved it. Take a good care of yourself. Love you all.